If you are looking for a great set of dog brushes, this is a pretty cool set. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're going to be doing a review of these dog brushes. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So as you can see here, you get a really nice slicker brush. And you know me, when I have slicker brushes, the test is this. Ooh, can you see that? It's got the squish. I do love the squish on a slicker brush. There's a flea comb in here. There's a finishing brush, and then this is for giving your dog a bath. So we're going to demonstrate this as well, probably on Eleanor, maybe give her a little micro bath. She's never had a bath before. We'll see what she thinks about that. Okay, so we're going to use this shampoo brush. We're going to put a little bit of shampoo on Eleanor here. All right, so we're just going to kind of suds her up a little bit. One thing you want to remember when using a brush like this, you don't always want to go back and forth because that can cause their hair to tear. That's why this is kind of like a brush. You kind of want to just go in the direction that their fur goes. Look at that! See how nice and soapy. Get that soap right down in there. Oh, and you'll feel so good. That worked pretty good. So I have Miss Eleanor on the grooming table here. This is a finishing comb. This is a slicker brush. So basically, we can just start brushing her out. Now, slicker brushes are really nice because they make your dog's fur very soft and poofy. They're also great when your dogs are shedding to loosen up all that fur. It's really, really important to brush your dogs regularly. This is really good for their coats. It's really good for their skin. You can just see how shiny she already looks. She's like, whoa, Mom, this is nice. I like this. So you can see it's pulling some furs out, some of that dead loose fur. So she's gonna have a nice shiny coat by the time we're all done. Now my dogs do not have fleas and my dogs have very thick coats, but this is a flea comb. So this kind of, see how it kind of gets? You don't want to pull hard with these. Basically, if your dog has fleas, you're just gonna brush down like this and slowly work them out. Or cat, dog or cat. This is a finishing comb. So when you're all done grooming your dog, kind of use this either side and it's just going to fluffen up that fur even more. Oh, I know, I love you too. I know. So all of these brushes serve a different purpose, and then of course the bath brush that we showed you earlier as well. These work great. I'm impressed. This is a really great brush set. If you're looking for a great grooming brush set for your dogs, we recommend this.